What we've got here is my trusty Chevelle bass guitar. Absolutely awesome piece of kit. But I need to change the paint on it. Done the koi fish years ago. It's kind of tired. And I've got another weight base anyway. I've got my Fender, which is Olympic white. Time to do something a bit more fancy on it. Let's do this. So all the electronics, not a lot of them really, taken apart, labeled. That's the heart and soul of it. Right, let's move it out of the way and deal with this. Okay, so I'm going with a metal flake finish for that guitar. It's going to be the silver metal flake on that base, and general rule of thumb is the background for metal flake should be black. Doesn't really matter which color of metal flake you put on top. It could be green, silver, red, you name it. You should have a black solid background. I mean, you can use on any other one really, but metal flake kind of reflects what's around it, and black, it's funny how it works, but black makes it kind of invisible that black is there. And I'm going for the full coverage anyway, but having a solid black background definitely helps, because I've done some tests before, and a black it just disappears, so you don't see that background even if you don't have 100% coverage, which I'm going for anyway. But I want to make my life a little bit easier, so black background it is. So the guitar is black, and the beauty about metal flake, I don't need to worry about them scratches and imperfections, because the metal flake itself is quite heavy and I need to bury it in clear coats and metal flake carriers and all this, so I'm not really worried about it. What I'm using here is a product called Flake King, I think they called. It's a dry flake gun. Very good system when it comes to complete coverage. It covers the entire thing in seconds, and there is very little mess to worry about, which is a good thing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover the entire surface of the guitar, or part of the surface of the guitar, the top one. I'm going to work to start with the adhesive, like a metal flake carrier kind of thing, and then I'm going to blast dry metal flake right on top of it, and that should give me 100% coverage within the matter of seconds, really. If I was going for like transparency and part coverage, I would mix my flake with clear coat or some other additives, but I want full coverage on that. So let's see how easily and quickly we can achieve that. The beauty of this system is, whatever is not used, you can scrape up and put it back in the box. Very little waste. So, skipping forward a little bit, it has been clear coated now twice. I'm just in the process of sanding it down because there's quite a bit rough on it. But that's not the end of it. I want to lay some silver leaf, maybe not silver, maybe copper leaf. Let's see what looks best. But first I need to finish this. Catch you in a bit. Alright guys, so fast forward a little bit, I've got that guitar painted. I put the copper leaf on it, on the design I wanted to do. Just need to get rid of all the loose bits from it. And once this is done, I'll be able to work on the details on here. But this is the boring part, let me skip to the good bit. Now, halfway through that job guys, because I got all the loose bits from the copper leaf off, obviously you end up with a mess like this. And trying to tidy this up, it's an impossible job. Look, you just blow it gently and it goes all over the place. So try to sweep it or whatever, the thing just flies. A tip for it is a bit of water. spray the thing with some water, let it settle. And we no longer have this problem. Look at that. No longer moves. Becomes heavy. You can pick it up. You can sweep it. You can do whatever you want with it. Throw it away. Reuse it. Up to you. Job done. Okay, this is how we're looking with the outlines and a bit more detailing on the leaves. Next step is simply to clear coat this bad boy. And hopefully they will bring back the shine of that metal flake and metal leaf, the copper leaf as well. Well, let's get it done. And that is that, guys. It was simple as that. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoyed the process. I know I did. Love that finish. Love the combination of the silver metal flake and the copper leaf as well to it. Give it some shading so it looks a little bit 3D. Didn't want to overdo it. Just enough to make it stand out a little bit, to make it pop. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been a while, but I'm still doing things in the background, so until next time, I guess, just need to tune it up. And take it on stage. Until then, guys, rock hard, drink beer, and I'll see you very soon.